This is the AI news flash for June 1st, midnight UTC. First up, Motley Fool exclusive investment analysis reports the AI trade is breaking out beyond semiconductor stocks, with 3 new leading stocks powering the next leg higher, marking a decisive milestone in institutional investor portfolio reallocation toward the second phase of AI infrastructure beneficiaries. The analysis highlights how the second phase of AI infrastructure beneficiaries is shifting from semiconductor dominance to non-chip AI-related stocks, including data center power infrastructure providers, cooling technology specialists, and optical interconnect companies emerging as decisive new investment themes. Against NVIDIA's $5.5 trillion market capitalization, monopoly diversification trend acceleration, and Broadcom surpassing Tesla in market cap, achieving a historic milestone, the second phase of AI infrastructure beneficiary selection is entering full force with Vertiv, Eaton Power infrastructure beneficiaries, Corning, Lumentum optical connectivity stocks leading the rally. Within the context of hyperscaler 4 company combined $725 billion capital expenditure boom for 2026, institutional investor AI semiconductor investment theme, second phase beneficiary selection is entering full force with Michael Burry's $1.1 billion put options against the AI bubble and IMF private credit industry overheating warnings, driving rotation, positioning this as the most important milestone for 2026 AI investment theme institutional allocation strategy. The second, Reuters exclusive commentary feature analyzes how Asia's AI chip boom could spark a regional economic renaissance, marking a decisive milestone in the formation of Asia as the third pole of global AI semiconductor investment themes. The Reuters analysis examines how the AI semiconductor supercycle is driving regional economic renaissance across Taiwan, South Korea, Japan, and Southeast Asia, with TSMC as Taiwan's core AI semiconductor manufacturing hub, Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix dominating HBM memory supremacy, Kioxia's Japanese AI memory supply capability, and Southeast Asia's AI data center investment boom, forming a comprehensive Asian AI semiconductor ecosystem. Under the hyperscaler $725 billion combined 2026 capital expenditure boom, accelerating AI semiconductor supercycle dynamics, TSMC's second Kumamoto plant and second phase Arizona facility operations, Samsung's $110 trillion $182 billion largest ever annual investment, SK Hynix HBM4 mass production acceleration, Micron's Taiwan power chip acquisition, and Japan's Rapidus 2nm advanced node initiative are driving comprehensive Asian AI semiconductor manufacturing capacity expansion. Against the decisive U.S.-China AI geopolitical hegemony struggle, the diversification of U.S. one-pole AI infrastructure investment themes toward Asia as a third pole is accelerating, with Alibaba Cloud's 5-year $100 billion AI infrastructure commitment and Chinese independent AI ecosystem self-reliance development providing comparative context, positioning the Asian Democratic Ally AI semiconductor ecosystem third pole formation as the most important milestone for 2026 Asian AI semiconductor investment theme. The third, Yahoo Finance exclusive report covers Microsoft's tightening of AI tools, with investors focusing on outcome-based adoption transformation, marking a decisive milestone in the enterprise AI investment theme shifting to a full monetization phase. Microsoft's latest official strategy positions enterprise AI tool adoption criteria, rigorization at the core, with Copilot product family Office 365 integration, acceleration driving outcome-based value provision proof requirements, addressing institutional investor ROI realization delay concerns, and accelerating AI industry monetization phase entry as a decisive milestone. This aligns with McKinsey's 95% AI pilots failing production deployment statistics, Forrester's 55% enterprise rehiring regret findings, and Deloitte's 47% enterprise AI hallucination-based critical decisions causing $67.4 billion annual economic losses, with Microsoft Copilot's 15 million seat penetration, providing the foundation for enterprise AI market strategic reinforcement. Under the hyperscaler $725 billion combined 2026 capital expenditure boom, with Microsoft's $190 billion standalone AI infrastructure commitment against OpenAI, Anthropic, and Google Gemini Enterprise competing for enterprise AI agent market hegemony,
Microsoft's AI tools tightening and outcome-based adoption transformation strategy positions Gartner's 2026 year-end 40% AI agent embedded enterprise application prediction as the most important milestone for 2026 enterprise AI market investment monetization phase.
Fourth South China Morning Post exclusive opinion feature analyzes how U.S. pressure has only helped make China's tech giants stronger, providing comprehensive analysis on this counterproductive outcome marking a decisive milestone in the U.S.-China AI geopolitical hegemony struggle. The SCMP analysis examines how the Trump administration's prolonged anti-China AI semiconductor export controls have driven Huawei, Alibaba, Tencent, and ByteDance Chinese tech giants to accelerate independent AI ecosystem self-reliance development, with U.S. pressure becoming counterproductive by reinforcing China's independent AI pathway acceleration, exemplified by Huawei Ascend AI chip procurement acceleration, DeepSeek V4 open source strategy, and Alibaba Cloud's 5-year $100 billion AI infrastructure commitment, forming comprehensive Chinese independent AI ecosystem. With the effectiveness of U.S. anti-China AI semiconductor export controls coming into fundamental question against NVIDIA H200 export license customer, 75,000 units cap and Blackwell Vera Rubin export bans continuing, China's independent AI stack complete self-reliance development is accelerating in full force, with Xi Jinping's 15th five-year plan AI strategy positioned at core with unprecedented scale expansion. Within the hyperscaler $725 billion combined 2026 capital expenditure boom, positioning U.S. AI infrastructure hegemony global superiority strategy at core against Chinese independent AI ecosystem, self-reliance development trend acceleration, and with the Trump X U.S.-China Summit AI technology as a major agenda item, the decisive U.S.-China AI geopolitical hegemony struggle positions this as the most important milestone for 2026 U.S.-China AI geopolitics.
FifthInc.com
Exclusive warning feature reports the $500 million scale AI implementation failure mistake that every company is rushing to avoid, marking the most important milestone in enterprise AI implementation governance framework establishment as a top corporate priority.
The Inc.com warning reports significant enterprise AI implementation failures, producing $500 million scale economic loss cases, driving full-scale alarm bells across the industry, with data governance framework deficiencies, AI hallucination-based critical decision-making, and AI agent autonomous execution risk management gaps emerging as three major intensifying factors, driving urgent recognition for fundamental corporate AI strategy review.
Aligning with Deloitte's 47% enterprise AI hallucination-based critical decisions, causing $67.4 billion annual economic losses data, McKinsey's 95% AI pilots failing production deployment, ROI realization delay intensification, and Forrester's 55% enterprise rehiring regret findings, Gartner's 2026 year-end 40% AI agent embedded enterprise application prediction is accelerating, intensifying enterprise AI agent governance framework establishment as a critical corporate challenge. Within the hyperscaler $725 billion combined 2026 capital expenditure boom enterprise AI implementation full-scale phase transition, with 48% of security professionals predicting agentic AI as the largest attack vector for 2026 reality acceleration against Cisco LLM security standardization. Google Cloud Wiz, $32 billion acquisition and global AI security market emergence requirements, AI wrapper companies versus true AI native SaaS, clear divergence accelerating. This positions as the most important milestone for 2026 enterprise AI implementation governance. So that's all for this AI news flash.